In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Carrier Assure to search for different types of auto haulers that operate in different regions in different states to hopefully help source carriers for your specific shipments. Again, this is for auto haulers specifically, but within our advanced search, you can filter by score. Now, with Carrier Assure, we do score carriers, and the higher the score, the less risk a carrier poses and the higher quality they are. So in this case, I'm going to click, I'm looking for carriers with an A or B who could potentially go from Florida to Kansas. Now, our platform is going to search for either carriers based in these areas or seen in these areas via inspection. You can even dive into location. So being that I've been on the brokerage side before, when I'm looking to partner with certain carriers, it would be my preference that they are based in the state that it is picking up or delivering in. You can start here and then remove these filters, but I do think this is a great place to start. You can get into authority age. So depending on what your minimum is, I'm going to click 12 months, but if it's 6 months, 24 months, whatever that looks like for your company, you can put that there to make sure the list that comes up is a carrier that is likely to meet the requirements you have set. Now, this is where you can dive into the type of equipment which will help you find carriers who are likely to service the automobile industry, and finished vehicles. So for truck count, I'm not going to put anything for now. If you work with a minimum, or there's a maximum you'd like, you can put it there. But I'm going to stick with auto, transporter, trailer, and car trailer. And we have this services option that you can click auto. Now, services is the one piece that is carrier input, but it helps you filter this search even more. Now, this search came up with this list of carriers. A lot of them are small. One of them is a large carrier, but let me just click into this first one. SunExpress Florida Corporation has a B, 6 trucks. I'm going to scroll down to show you their fleet details. So you see that car trailer and you see auto, transporter, trailer, and that auto is part of the services that they have selected. And you see that they are based in Florida, they're based in Orlando, and they've been seen in Kansas. So the platform is saying, hey, this carrier has a great score. They have the type of equipment that you're looking for, and they've even selected the service that you're looking for. I'm going to click into this one that's based in Kansas and just show you what the platform's looking for. Like I said, they're based in Kansas. They have 1 truck, but they've been seen in Florida. And then let's go ahead and scroll down, and you see that they have a car trailer selected, or a car trailer inspected. And then in here, they have auto selected. That's how the advanced search feature works. Obviously, this isn't a large list. So the great thing is you can go and say, I'd like to include C carriers, and you have a longer list. You can kind of mess with these different filters to either broaden the list or shorten it. But the great thing is that once you're here, you can actually copy and paste the emails. So if this is a lane that you service frequently or just a shipment you have a few weeks out or a few days out, you can just copy the emails based on if you use Gmail or Outlook and send that email out. So that is how you search for auto transporter trailers within our platform. If you have any questions at all, or you think a demo might be helpful to explore this solution further, please reach out to sales@carrierassure.com. And thanks for watching.